So now that our twist out is complete, we've taken it down, it's nice, it's defined, we love it. How do we maintain it? I know twist outs can sometimes feel like they don't last as long as other styles. So I wanted to show you my nighttime routine, what I do after the gym, and also how I refresh my hair. And hopefully this helps you with your twist outs in these summer months. Real quick, I want to show y'all how I would wear my hair to sleep. So simple. I have these 3 satin scrunchies, and all I do is I kind of just make 3 pineapples. We'll have one here like this, and I just let it plop. Like, I don't band it twice or 3 times or get that ponytail tight in any way. And then the last one I take, and I'm gonna have the ponytail going downward. After that, I'm just gonna go in with my silk or satin bonnet. I'm actively making sure that those ponytails lay on each side. You see, it's going back like this. And that's it. That's how I sleep. Finally, for the takedown the next morning, I slip my scrunchies out and I begin shaking my hair, giving it the shape that I'm looking for the rest of the day. I do most of my shaking and maneuvering at the roots because I don't want to disturb the curls or waves. Definitely don't want to rake through your hair because we don't want to add frizz. Now, some of my girlies are active, so I wanted to add in a section of what I do after a sweaty workout. First, you want to dry your roots. Immediately, I take off my scrunchie and my headband, and I make sure I go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting to get those roots as dry as possible. First, we want to stop that heat and moisture from traveling down the hair strands, causing frizz. And second, we want to make sure that your hair is not damp before going to bed. Usually, us girlies with twist outs, we like to put a bonnet over our head before we go to sleep, trapping that moisture in a dark area. That is the perfect combination for fungus. Please dry that scalp. Okay, so this is a realistic day 3 with the twist out. So definition is still there. Love it, love it. But the roots are getting poofy, and then the front area is not as defined as when we first started. So we need to do a refresh. Y'all know I don't care about the back. That's somebody else's issue. We just care about the front. So hopefully it looks good back there, but it is what it is. This is my holy grail. Take the product, and I don't add water. I find that the cast becomes really strong if you don't add water, and it lasts me the remainder of the week, so I'm not just doing this every day. So that piece is nice and saturated now, and then I'm just going to do a 2-strand twist. And you don't need a lot of these, just enough to camouflage the other frizzies in the morning. And my roots get frizzy due to working out, sweating, being in this humid climate. But if you're not someone that works out, or like if you walk, like if you're not a sweater, then you probably don't even have to do this until like maybe day 4 or 5. But like I said, I typically have to refresh on day 3, and then I'm usually good to go from there. All right, and this is the last one. This did take me about 10 minutes to do, so 10 extra minutes. Even though my hair is wet in these twists, because it's a foam, it's gonna dry pretty quick. So I'm just going to still put it in those 2 ponytails, and then that one in the back, and then put a bonnet on. It'll be fine in the morning. Good morning. Take these off. Scrunchies. Actually, they're a little damp. Twists are a little damp, but I'm just gonna separate it at the part that's dry, and hopefully it doesn't disturb it too much. Okay, y'all. And that's what I do. Like nothing too fancy at all. So we went over the takedown, post-workout maintenance, nighttime and morning routine, and how to refresh. Y'all let me know if this video was helpful. I will have an update twist out video showing you step by step how I create a long lasting twist out with tips and all the things. I literally have a poll going on right now on my page, so y'all can vote on which combo y'all want to see for this twist out. I also have a video explaining the combos that I've chosen for that poll. So if you want to know more about the product selection, click on the video above. And thank y'all so much for the ones who have already voted. I love y'all so much. Y'all have no idea how much I love y'all interacting with me. Again, my name is Brandon Lachey, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.